Howdy ho! Hey! Guess what? Tonight we are making a mystery sauce dinner. You guys will not believe what's in here. There's 3 ingredients, but it is buttery, golden, delicious, and perfect for chicken. So won't you come in the chicken? Won't you come in the chicken? Won't you come to the kitchen and join me? Bring your spoon, bring your chair, and come on in. Let's cook together this dressed chicken breast. This creamy ranch Dijon chicken with angel hair pasta is a quick and easy dinner that's full of flavor. Made with tender chicken, a buttery pan sauce, and a surprising combo of ranch and Dijon mustard. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights and when you want a little something different but comforting. Trust me on this one. You're gonna want to try it. Hello, hello. So glad you could join us in the kitchen tonight. I am just getting all of our ingredients prepped for our dressed chicken breasts. Trust me on this one. You gotta trust me on this one. Chef's kiss, I'm telling you. Just trust me. Do we trust her? I don't know. As always, the ingredients and everything you need down below in the description, so you don't have anything to worry about there, but I am just preparing the side dressing, which is 1 cup of Hidden Valley ranch dressing, or your ranch dressing of choice, and a scoop of Dijon mustard. So 1/3 cup Dijon mustard, and then we're going to whisk that up, and we're going to whisk that up while we wait for our 1/2 cup of butter to heat up here in our skillet, because we need to brown our chicken breasts. And then you'll notice in the background that I also have our angel hair pasta already prepared and ready to go, because that's what we're gonna top it with, top the sauce with. So while we are doing that, while that's getting ready, I'm gonna do that. And also you'll need about 1/3 cup of a dry white wine. If you prefer not to do that, you're more than welcome to do chicken stock, vegetable stock, something like that. Not a problem. Okay. This is all mixed up. Now we're just waiting for our butter to melt, and I will come back to you then. Chicken is in, and it's going to take 3 to 5 minutes per side. We want to get this pretty browned, so we'll let them go for 3 minutes. See if I can move them, flip them over if I can, and then we'll go for another 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll pull them off onto another plate. That's the next step. And because I can't help myself, I gotta have some Montreal on there. You know me. Montreal, McCormick. I'm your girl. Update for you guys on the sticky toffee pudding cake that I made last week. I did have my friend from England over. She did try it, and she said it was her sister's very favorite kind of cake, and that it was perfect. I was chuffed, as they would say. I was so excited to hear that. And also, my other lovely friend, well, you guys know him, Sue and Chris. So Chris said that she would like me to make that for her birthday this year, that it was well worth every bite. So, hey, nothing like saying, there's a new recipe. I'm not sure I can do it. Yes, you can. Give it a try. That's what we're doing here tonight. What? How does this look good? How could this be good? Ranch dressing and Dijon mustard and white wine? I don't know, Wendy. Just you wait. It's delicious. And here we are. Getting ready to pull these out. These are nice and browned on both sides. Ready to go. We're just going to pull them off in another pan and let them keep warm. While we build the sauce. Get our stir out. And remember what I say, whatever's on the bottom here, don't worry about it because that's where the flavor lives. And that's about what we're gonna build. We're gonna add the wine. Woohoo! And as you can see, almost immediately, up it comes. All right, this is gonna take 2 minutes. We just wanna stir this for just a couple of minutes and then we're gonna add our Dijon and ranch mixture. This is reduced by about half. You can see we have actually a nice little bubble here in the middle where nothing's going on. So now we are going to add the ranch and Dijon mixture together. We're going to add this and then that's going to come up and get nice and bubbly. Lovely. Let's stir this together. We'll reduce the heat and just let it bubble for about 5 minutes. Good to go. Okay, we are ready to plate up. So I've got just a little bit of angel hair pasta here. We're going to place a breast on top of that. And then we're going to use our big spoon and just spoon that sauce right over the top. Delicious. Delicious. I wish you could smell this. Oh my goodness. This is buttery. People will not be able to tell what is in that sauce. They will just know that it's buttery and rich and delicious, and everyone loves angel hair pasta, right? Serve with green beans, serve with peas, however you'd like to serve it. It's the bomb diggity. Well, thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen tonight as we made dressed chicken. I love surprising people with this sauce. So I hope you give this one a try. Mooch is ready for her piece. She's been ready for a long time. We are ready to go. Thank you so much. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every subscribe. Thank you for every share. Thank you for just being here and supporting us every single video. I'm so blessed and thank you. I'm just so blessed. I'm feeling all the love. Thank you so much. We have 344 friends. Can't believe it. This close to 500. Here we come. Here we come. We'll be renting out a whole hall. Anyway, stay tuned for a Zen moment and we will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye, my friends.